Back over to the sawmill today. Just put my blade cut guard back on with the fresh decal my friend made for me. Came out awesome. Looks real good. Today I had somebody requested some cookies for an art project. So I just grabbed out of a firewood pile some firewood rounds. Now, I don't have a fancy log clamp device like a fellow YouTuber that goes by Aeronymous Unlimited. I probably will be building one if this works out, if these cookies are cool. So my plan, I'm going to cobble together some sort of gripping mechanism. Have a couple boards here. I'm going to set the logs on there and try to use my log clamps that are already on the mill. So we're going to see what happens. You know, hopefully nothing disastrous, but we shall see. I'm going to try a small one first before I have one that's about 20 inches. Better off start off small with this. See what happens, see if this concept works. This is what I've got so far. Worked out pretty good. There was a little bit of vibration happening because I don't have it clamped real good. So that, you know, there's decent waviness in the cut here. That should stand out. But these cookies, they look pretty good. I flipped the log over to get kind of like into this branch section here. Looks pretty neat. This is what we got so far. There's a little guy there. Just doing them 2 inches thick. Tried one, you know, just a thin one just to see how bad it checks. We'll keep going. This guy here is about 20-inch diameter. I think it's some sort of oak. And I had to drop my other board down, so grabbed this small little stick here to hold it. Got it screwed down to these boards. Hopefully it won't go anywhere. We'll give it a try. Okay, so this is the bigger log sliced up in the cookies here. Still getting a little bit of vibration, but not nearly as bad. Once I build this cookie clamp, I think it'll fix all these problems. But still, it should stand out. Decent grain patterns there. Try to get the sun right. So we're getting a little stash of cookies going.